Go.
I feel like a cuckoo bird that just came out. Look. Oh, that's a
Need a push? Okay, turn this way.
All you have to do is just this. Watch me. See? Watch me, little girl. You're right here. Look.
What?
Watch me. Look. Get that shit. What?
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I like this trail.
Oh, okay. Where's Aaron? Oh, he's over on the swing. All right. Okay. Hey, look at me. Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Grandpa.
And where are we?
Florida.
Where are we in Florida? Are we at a power plant?
Yes.
No. We're at the park.
Yes. We are going somewhere at the park.
Okay. Bye-bye.